Here, how to join the strings in Excel. First, we take some example data. Like I have prefix first name and surname. Here, Dr. Ramesh Indra, you want to combine these strings by using concatenate function, using formula. Another method is using operator, ampersand. Okay, first we are using concatenate function to combine the strings. How to concatenate? First, we select the first prefix. Come if you want to space in between these in these strings, then we type double quotes, give space between them. Next step, select them. Again, want to space in between them. Again, double quotes in between them. And, here in this way, we got the Dr. Ramesh Chandra combine the strings in this way by using this concatenate formula, concatenate function. Drag this one. This is also get the complete the string. And here, by using ampersand operator, how to get here how to join the strings in Excel by using method 2, using operator ampersand. Here, we select this one. Here, what we do, this is a formula for ampersand operator. Here, select the C7 and first name and again surname. By using the operator, we'll have these three strings by using an operator. If you want any spaces between them, by using double quotes and the spaces in that one. And in this way, we get the connection at the same time. In this way, we are joining the strings in Excel by using two methods.